Good morning, students. In the last session, we all heard the story of Jack who believed in himself and saved his friend. With the story in the background, let us begin with the poem A Time to Believe by B. J. Morbitzer. Let us begin with the warming up page, the activity page. Here you can see a picture of sunrise. And what does a sunrise symbolize? A sunrise symbolizes a beginning of good things or victory. A sunrise also symbolizes new dreams, new hopes, etc. Now let us see question 1. Think, choose and fill up the labels with what a sunrise symbolizes. Here they have given us words in the bracket. You have to choose the correct word and fill up in the boxes. So let us write. You can start from any one side. A sunrise symbolizes jewelry, art, hope, birth, new opportunities, inspiration, new achievements, happiness, bright moments, new aims, money, surprises. Now, let us see the next activity, acrostic. What is an acrostic? An acrostic is a poem or a write-up where the first letters of each line form a new word or spell a new word when read vertically and with capital letters. And that word usually is the topic of the poem. Now, acrostic poems are fairly easy to write. They don't need to rhyme. And the lines in the poem can be short, long, or a single word. Acrostic poems can be about places, animals, or things, whatever you would like to write about. Here is an example of an acrostic poem. The topic word here is friend. It is written vertically and all the letters are in capital. So let us read. F, faithful. R, reliable. I, inspiring. E, encouraging. N, noble. D, dedicated. Let us see one more example. Here the topic word is teacher and it is written vertically and all the letters are in capital. So let us read. T, thoughtful. E, energetic. A, amazing. C, caring. H, helpful. E, encouraging. R, responsible. Now acrostic poems can also be written in phrases or sentences. Let us see some examples of this. Here the topic word is sun and it is written vertically and all the letters are in capital. So let us read. S, shines brightly. U, up in the sky. N, nice and warm. One more example. The topic word is cake. It is written vertically and all the letters are in capital. So let us read. C, chocolate cake I can eat. A, anytime. K, keep enjoying, so sweet. E, excellent, I say. You can see these poems are in phrases and not in words. So, acrostic poems are simple and fun to write and they build your vocabulary. Finally, they are a great writing strategy to help students practice, recall and remember the concepts which they have already learned. Now, as you know what acrostics are, try to write the acrostics for these words, believe and faith. Now, let us begin with the poem, A Time to Believe by B. J. Morbitzer. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. Let us see the meanings of difficult words from this stanza. Believe means trust. Miracles means an amazing or wonderful occurrence which seems to be sent from above. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. The poet says that if one has the self-belief, then one can live life with a new hope. Is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. With self-belief, one can always hope for miracles to happen and make dreams come true. Means, for example, the famous actress Sudha Chandran lost her leg in a road accident at an early age. Her leg was amputated. Her family and friends thought she would not be able to stand or walk properly. But because of her self-belief, she overcame this pessimism and subsequently became an established Bharatanatyam dancer. Her story is an example of how self-belief lets our hopes and dreams come true and miracles to happen. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. Now, let us see the meanings of the difficult words from this stanza. Angels means messengers of God. Stardust means having magical quality. Wisdom means understanding. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. The poet says, if one has the self-belief, one can see the silver lining in the clouds. Means, for example, before the exams, you study hard, you overcome all the difficulties, and then you get the desired result and you are very happy. That happiness is the silver lining in the clouds. To know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. This beauty of happiness is like a star-studded sky which enables us to experience all the beautiful things created by the Creator. With this, we will end this session. We will see the remaining part of the poem in our next session. Thank you.